Jamalco supervisor shot dead and teacher injured in Maypen bar attack. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 71-year-old employee of the bauxite company Jamalco was shot and killed and a female teacher injured following an attack at a bar in Western Park, Maypen, Clarendon on Friday night. The deceased has been identified as Henry Hawthorne, a supervisor of Jamalco and a resident of Glenhaven Close, Maypen, Clarendon in the parish. A motive for the shooting has not yet been established. Reports are that at around 8 p.m., Hawthorne and the assistant teacher were sitting inside a bar when a vehicle drove up and explosions were heard. 3 alleged masked men subsequently entered the bar and opened gunfire, hitting Hawthorne and the female. The police said that the men left the premises but one returned and shot Hawthorne in the head before escaping in a waiting motor vehicle. The bartender who was assisting the victims reportedly escaped unhurt. The police were summoned and Hawthorne and the female taken to hospital where they were pronounced dead. Up to March 31, a total of 18 people were murdered in Clarendon. The police have since commenced an investigation into the shooting. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.